Hello everyone, if you're getting this error in Rockstar Games Launcher, an error occurred while authenticating with Rockstar Game Services, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this authenticating error in Rockstar Games Launcher easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your Explorer, you're going to go into your C drive, and then you're going to go into users. Here you're going to select your username, and then you're going to go into documents, and here you're going to find the folder called Rockstar Games. In that you're going to go into Social Club, and here first you're going to go into cache. You're going to delete this browser underscore cache underscore settings.dat file. And then you're going to go back. You're going to go into renderer. Here you're going to delete this file, localprefs.json. So after you delete both of these files, you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now you're going to open up the Rockstar Games Launcher, and you'll need to log in with your account. And once you're done with the logging in, now you can just go ahead and play your GTA 5 or any Rockstar games, and you'll see that you will not get that authentication error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.